Hello, Bernard Cheddar and YouTube. My name is Bernard. Welcome to the Car Finder Garage. This is the absolute cold start video of the 2009 Audi A6 Avant wagon. It's been turned off, has been started in about, I got my hand on some sort of metal down here. Has been turned on for about a week. So it's a complete cold start video here. Let's get this set up here somehow. There we go. I'm just going to start it. Dark in my tent right now. It's evening time. Air pump's turning off. Okay. Let me see. All right. Cold. Okay, thank you for tuning in and God bless.